Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 20, and today's topic is using the right adjective. We have done several times adjectives in different ways. Today we will do another way, that is, see here, first exercise, a number exercise. Here it is written, copy the adjectives in column A in your exercise book in the order given, means you have to follow this order, first one first time and last one at last. Opposite each, write the noun in column B which matches it. So I am not going to copy it in exercise book, you will do at your home. I am going to write the word of its next place or of its right side, which I think is going to match with it. So first time, see here, frantic. So with frantic, what we can put from column B, see here, slope, allowance, drugs, grip, clothes, daughter, struggles, task, furniture, mill. Here we can put frantic. Frantic what? Frantic struggles. This one, struggles. Next one, antic. Slope, allowance, drugs, grip, clothes, no, daughter, task, furniture. Furniture is appropriate with it. Next one, affectionate. Affectionate what? Slope, allowance, drugs, grip, clothes, no, daughter. I think this is a perfect word with it. So affectionate, daughter. Next one, formidable. Formidable what? Formidable, formidable. This place, no, daughter's task. Formidable, formidable task. Palatable. Palatable what? We can write palatable, slope, allowance, drugs, grip, clothes, daughter, struggles, does, furniture, mill. Palatable, mill. So this is so interesting. We have done all from this place. So next do this column here, injurious. So injurious what? Injurious, slope, allowance, drugs, injurious drugs we can write. Next one, threadbare. Threadbare, so easy, you know, threadbare clothes. Next one, meager. Meager what? So meager means so small amount or short amount. So with this, allowance is appropriate word. So we will hear meager allowance. Next one, precipitous. What does it mean actually? Precipitous means dangerously high or steep. So this word is matched with slope. So we'll write here slope. Last one, relentless means actually we can tell hard-hearted or cruel or brutal. So here with this word we can put grip, relentless, grip. Next one, next exercise, here it is written in B number exercise, choose the word from the list above which will complete each sentence correctly. From which place? From this place. From this place we will take word and we will put here. So let's read which words are here. Shrewd, luscious, vivid, secluded, candid, righteous, riotous, sumptuous, abundant, prosperous. So we have to put these words in this place. So let's start first one. What we can do, the traveler had many dash memories of his jungle adventure. So which word we can write from this place? From this place we can write vivid word. So here we will put the traveler had many vivid memories of his jungle adventure. The peach is a dash fruit. What we can write? What we can write from this place? Here, this one, luscious. The peach is a luscious food, fruit. Luscious fruit. Next one, 3 number, Sir Walter is the managing director of a dash business. Managing director of, see which business, what type of business it is, should know, secluded, no, candid, it is no, prosperous business. This is more important or perfect word for this place. So right here, prosperous, P-R-O-S, prosperous. Okay. So next one we can do, that is the dash businessman made a profit. So what can we write? We can write this one, the shrewd businessman, the shrewd businessman, S-H-R-E-W-T, shrewd businessman made a profit. 5 number, a dash feast was held in the emperor's honor. So what type of feast? This is sumptuous food. So sumptuous means actually rich, or you can tell splendid or expensive looking. So for this reason we can put here sumptuous. 6 number, the boys were rocking with dash laughter. So here from this place we can bring a word that is riotous. Why riotous? Actually riotous means rowdy or bohemian or furious. So here the boys were rocking with laughter. So that's why we can put this word, that is riotous. Next one, the town is proud of its dash supply of water. So this is so easy. We know this one. What will be here? Abundant. Abundant means a plenty of. So write in this place, abundant. Eight number, see, he gave them his dash opinion of their actions. So from this place means from the table here, one word, candid. Candid means what? Candid means frank or straightforward. He had given his candid opinion of their actions. Here 9 number, at the bottom of the garden was a dash nook with an oak seat beneath a shady tree. Here we can put that is secluded, because secluded means solitary or lonely or lonesome. So here we can put this word, that is secluded. Secluded. Last one, 10 number, the insult filled with women with dash indignation. So one word is left from this place, that is what? That is righteous. So we will put this word at last here, this one, righteous. Indignation means anger, and that's why we have put here righteous. It means actually right or pious, or righteous means rightful or just. That's why the insult filled the woman with righteous indignation. Hope you have understood today's topic. We have done today page number 20, and the topic is using the right adjective. Next time we will do page number 21, that is pronouns. So today up to this, bye.